everyone. It's so wonderful to have your children back in school. All of you know me very well, but if you are logging in as a new family of a student, I want to introduce myself. My name is Toni Perez. I'm a licensed clinical social worker. Here at CVES, I'm the school social worker who works with families who have students in our autism program. As part of your student's IEP, I meet with families once every 6 weeks, either at school or in your home. It's up to you. A few of the many things I do as my role is assisting families in understanding the complex child serving system to help navigate through various services your child may benefit from. I can assist you in making the necessary referrals to obtain those services. I work hard to improve the communication between home, school, and the community and make certain you have the input in your students' education and care. I can also bring ideas from our treatment team here at school that you may want to try in your home. I appreciate your willingness to include me as part of your students' team. Your children are amazing young people, and for sure, I am wishing you all a safe and healthy year.